You've got a steady paycheck from your 9 to 5 job, and that's cool. But deep down inside, you know you've always wanted more. More money, more freedom, more flexibility. And so you finally decided that it's time to take action, and you are here. The idea of passive income is one that has always fascinated me. I mean, who doesn't love the thought of making hundreds or even thousands while you sleep or traveling around the world? But what exactly is passive income? The term passive money just means an income source that you have created once to make money for months or even years to come. But yes, it requires some maintenance, but it's usually minimal. Do not get this confused with get-rich-quick schemes. You cannot magically start earning money instantly. If this were the case, then everyone would be rich business owners. Usually, passive income streams require a lot of initial work at the start before the income turns truly passive. All this hard work is extremely rewarding. Nothing feels better than making money while you sleep. Here are the top passive income ideas in 2021. These low-risk passive income ideas are easy to start and provide the best results. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ideas to make passive income by promoting and selling other people's products or services. Let me explain you how does it work. In affiliate marketing, you share a unique affiliate link on your blog or social media. Someone clicks on that link and buys something, and then you earn a commission from the sale. And everyone is happy. The company is happy because you helped them make money. You are happy because you earned a commission, and your reader are happy because you recommended them a product. Number 2. Start a money-making blog. When it comes to making money passively, blogging is one of my favorite channels. Many people like to read blogs instead of watching videos on YouTube. Bloggers usually make money by showing ads to people visiting their website. But there are multiple ways to monetize your blogs once you have built some audience, like selling affiliate products, selling online courses, sponsorships, etc. The best part is you can just start a blog with just a small investment as low as $5 to $10 a month. You just need a hosting and domain name to start a blog. Number 3. Invest in index funds. An index fund is a mutual fund or exchange-traded fund that follows a market's certain preset rules so that the fund can track a specified basket of underlying investments. An index mutual fund is said to provide broad market exposure, low operating expenses, and low portfolio turnover. Index funds are nice because of the low costs, and you don't have to worry about what investments to choose, rebalancing your portfolio, or selling and buying individual companies. Historically, index funds always outperform actively managed mutual funds. There is risk in anything you do when it comes to investing, but history has shown if the index has gone down, it will go back up. Number 4. Starting a drop shipping store. In drop shipping, you sell a third-party product without keeping an inventory or delivering the product. When you make a sale, the product is shipped directly to the customer from the dropshipper. You get the money, keep the profit, and send the base product amount to the drop shipping company. With platforms like Shopify, you can simply create a whole e-commerce store without writing a single line of code and start selling. Number 5. Invest in dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are one of the simplest ways to create passive income. Here's how dividend stocks work. Dividends are a distribution of corporate earnings to shareholders and usually take place in one of two forms, cash or stock. A stock dividend is the latter of these two kinds of dividends. Each organization's board of directors determines the actual dividend amount that the firm will pay out. Most cash dividends are paid on a quarterly basis, but stock dividends are generally paid at infrequent intervals. Number 6. Make money from rental property. Have you ever thought about making a monthly passive income from rental properties? Real estate investing is a very popular way to make passive income. Just like affiliate marketing, real estate has many different subcategories. If you own a home currently, you can rent out an unused room on Airbnb and start making money every month. There is a term called house hacking in the real estate world. In house hacking, when you buy multi-family rental properties, live in one unit and rent out the others to Airbnb to tourists or people just need a place for the night. You can even do this in smaller towns, not just big cities. I have seen couples having 2 apartments in a big city and having them both on Airbnb. If one is rented, they will stay in the other. If both are rented, they've made enough money to stay in a hotel for the night and still have some leftovers. Number 7. Peer-to-peer lending. If you have some extra cash, peer-to-peer lending might be the perfect passive income idea for you. Peer-to-peer lending is a form of direct lending of money to individuals or businesses without an official financial institution participating as an intermediary in the deal. This is generally done through online platforms that match lenders with the potential borrowers. Sites like Prosper, Worthy, Funding Circle, and Lending Club help you connect with others who need to get a loan. Instead of them going through a bank, the website matches lenders and borrowers, simplifying the process for all parties involved. You can start off by lending $25 to 50 people instead of $1,250 to one person. In this way, you'll diversify your risk instead of putting all of your eggs in one basket. Number 8. Create an application and monetize it. Do you know, Tinder makes more than $500 million every year with their app? Yes, that's right. Creating an app could be a way to make that upfront investment of time and then reap the reward over time. Your app might be a game or one that helps mobile users perform some hard-to-do function. There are multiple ways to make money from an app, like showing ads, in-app purchases, per-month subscription, sponsorships, etc. An app has huge upside if you can design something that catches the fancy of your audience. Number 9. Sell online courses. If you are good at something and your knowledge can help people make their life better, selling online courses is a great passive income idea. You can create a course using platforms like Teachable or Thinkific and start making money. An alternative way to sell online courses is by creating your own website with Bluehost. With your own website, you have complete control over how the site is designed and the courses are priced. Number 10. Start a YouTube channel. If you are good at something and have a desire to make online videos, you can easily make some extra money on the side from starting a YouTube channel. YouTube income is one of the best examples of passive because you only need to make the video once, but you can make money from the same video years later. Number 11. Make money by shopping online. We all shop online, even when we are trying to save money. So why don't we make some money with it? Yes, you can make some money by shopping online using cashback sites. These sites give you some cashbacks when you make a purchase through them. My favorite way to get cashback is using Rakuten to get anywhere from 1 to 10% cashback on purchases you're already going to make. They have stores like Amazon, Sephora, Walmart, and so much more. You can order online using these apps and get some real cashbacks to make some extra money every month. That is all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to get the latest update about personal finance and make money online. Thank you. You've got a steady paycheck from your 9-to-5 job.